Hey, J3 here, and it is with honor that I welcome you to the stage of security. At this stage, your reward is financial security. You no longer have to worry about your future because you have prepared yourself for it. If you're already in this stage, congratulations. Your reward is financial peace of mind. This is an absolutely excellent stage to be in. And if you reach this stage, you're already considered a winner in the game of wealth. You can choose to stay in this stage and there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. After all, you know that if you keep on working and investing every month for your future expenses, then you're all set. You've got a bright future ahead of you. But there's just one more thing to take care of because your bright future still has a condition. Those are the words, if you keep on working and investing every month. You need to keep on working and working so you will be able to make the investments that will finance your future. You still need to work 8 hours a day, 5 days a week, or more. Now, don't get me wrong. At this stage, you're already ahead in the game of wealth. But the game isn't over yet. You still have to keep on playing. This brings us to the goal of this stage. What if you could keep on earning money but you no longer had to work 8 hours a day, 5 days a week for it?
What if money came in automatically?
What if you could make the same amount of money but dramatically reduce the amount of work you had to do? You see, there are two ways of earning money, through active income and passive income. Active income is when you trade your skills, knowledge, talents, and time for money. If you're employed or self-employed, then what you're earning is active income. Because if you stopped working right now, would you still earn money? If the answer is no, what you are earning is active income. But if you can still earn money even if you stop working, then that is what you call passive income. With passive income, you trade your skills, your knowledge, and talents for money, but the time you give is minimal. Passive income is what makes early retirement possible. So, the goal of this stage is to create passive income equal to or greater than your active income. That way, you can stop working altogether and yet, you'll still be able to fund your investments for the future.
There are many ways to create passive income, and that's what we'll talk about in this stage. There are 3 general ways on how to earn passive income. Number 1, paper assets, meaning investments. Number 2, real estate. And number 3, having your own business. We will zoom in on each one in the next videos. See you there!